That's good. All right, phones should be up. Y'all make sure your phone's not on your desk. All right, everybody flip it over. We're going to do 23 through 30 as a class. Those are the ones I'm not sure about.
So easy.
We might need to do 13 through 22, but y'all should be good on the front.
What? 23 is so easy.
Y'all should be good on the front. All right, so test on Friday is going to look a lot like this sheet right here. Front and back, everything.
So the domain has 2 3s. So.
Let's talk about it. All right, 23. Jacob, how do you know what the domain is?
It's the X.
It's the x's. So it's -2, it's 3, it's 0, it's 3.
It has 2 3s.
All right, now, what's the range?
Which would be 7, 10, -4, 8.
7, 10, -4, and 8. I agree. 7, 10, -4, and 8. Now, it's not asking if this is a function or not, but what if it did ask you if this is a function?
No.
It would be a no. Why?
Because it has 2 3s.
Because you can't have the same numbers repeat in the x's. Doesn't matter about the y's. So that would be a no, but they're not asking us for that. All right, so it looks like you're going to have one of those on the test. All right, 24. We did some of these yesterday. You got to make an XY chart. All right, where do I plug the numbers in for the domain?
The X.
The x's. So y'all got to put 12, 6, -3, and 0 all right there. So make an XY chart. Yep. Make an XY chart, plug your domain in for your x's. Now, how do I find my answers for my y's?
You divide it.
Well, I plug them in, so like when you plug the first number in, 12, it'll be 1/3 times 12 minus 4. Tyler, type that in for me, tell me what you get. Y'all don't help you? One-third times 12 minus 4. 0. All right, so y'all find your other 3 remaining answers, please. Go. All you're doing is plugging numbers in the calculator. No way y'all can miss these smart. No way.
I promise you I will. I will find a way. This will be the
What y'all giving y'all plugged in 6?
-2.
I agree. Keep going. Now, JT, what'd you get when you plugged in -3? All right, tell me what you get after you get it. Y'all don't help him. He's got it.
Oh my god, I have a test
I got a
I
0.
got 13. I think I typed it wrong.
I do too. I got -5. Y'all get -5 on that?
Yeah, on 0 I got negative.
0 should be -4.
Yeah.
All right, so that should be an easy problem unless you type the numbers in wrong.
Yeah,
All right.
I know what I did.
Want to go to 25? All right, we did all this stuff yesterday. 25 now says, all right, we still got an equation. We got 4x minus 3.
I still got to do that.
Yeah, I got X.
All right, Allison, let's quiet down a little bit. This time, guys, it gives us the range. Where do I plug my range
It
in?
gives us the domain.
On the y's. Good. I got 17. Bless you. I got -5. I got 21 and -19. So set up another XY chart.
I'm confused.
This time we're plugging our numbers in where the y's
Which
go.
one are you on, Justin? I'll explain it a little bit.
Once that's finally done,
So do we
and
time
Domain,
that
and
one?
then the
is
one
that,
says
and then
range.
When it says domain, you plug those in for the x's. When it says range, you plug those in for the y's.
Just plug it in the
I'm
exact
running
same pretty much,
we'll
don't
wait
you?
until he gets this done.
Yeah, I lost a 10.
4 times.
All right, Chloe, we good so far?
Oh, that's a big number.
All right, so look, when I plug these in, I got to plug 17 right here this time. So it'll be 17 equals 4x minus 3.
How you do that equal sign?
All right, so the equal sign is up in the problem, isn't it? Yeah, I copied that from the problem. All right, Tyler knows what he's doing. He said, hey, move -3 over, make it a +3. I got 20 equals 4x.
5.
So the first answer is 5.
Tyler, how'd you get a
So
big
what you're
number?
gonna do each time is just plug a
How'd you
new
get a big
number in this
number?
spot and get a new answer every time. Probably got to work these out by hand.
Yeah, that's.
All right, so now y'all try the next 3 quietly. Don't shout the answers out. Let's see what you get. I have no idea. I hadn't done.
You get point.
All right, so it sounds like some of y'all are getting decimals. That's
I
okay.
got point 5.
On what?
The second one. The second one.
The third one? I got 0.45.
If you plug in -5, let's see what we get. Move that over, +3.
Oh, yeah.
Divide by 4. I got -0.5. Somebody check behind me.
Yup.
That's right, Rob.
That's right. All right, try the next one. 21, plug it in, see what you get.
I got 4.5.
Not really a shortcut on these. You just gonna have to plug them in by hand and do each one of them. I got -0.5 and I plugged in -5. And I haven't done 21 yet.
I got point 2.
How do you know 6? You said that. I got 4.5.
On which one?
21.
All right, let's check.
I got it.
I got 6.
All right, so Justin, what happens with -3 when I move it over?
+3.
Okay.
I got -2 on that.
So I got 24 equals
That's
4x.
probably where I messed up.
Divide by 4, I got 6.
That's what I got.
All right, y'all do
You
-19
messed
now,
up as
see
well,
what
so I
you
don't want to
get.
hear it.
Yep. Hey, is it a decimal when y'all did -19?
No.
No, good.
-4.
I like that.
I
You said-
quit doing the
What did you get on the other one?
You didn't hear nothing.
All right, so -5, when you move over -3, it becomes a +3, pay, that'll give you -2.
What'd you get?
Yeah, but
Wait, which one
can't
you
do it
did?
all at one time, though. You gotta do it
No, don't
-2,
tell me.
divided by 4, you gotta do it separately.
C.
That's why you missed it. All right, what'd y'all get on -19 and I won't have to do it? Whoa, I'm hearing different answers.
-4.
I got one.
All right, let's try it and see.
What'd you get?
Sounds like we need to do it. All right, we take -3 and move it over. That's a +3. Y'all should have -16.
It is
Divide
-4.
by
So the answer is -4.
Yeah, I told you, I got it right.
All right, so now let's go down to the bottom. Everybody look at 26 through 30. All right, JT, what did we say yesterday about if something's discrete?
If it's discrete, it's more than, no, that's not time.
If it's discrete, what did we say?
Yeah, you
We said you can count it. When is something continuous? Give me an example of something that's continuous.
Wait,
Like weight. Like, Kyler, what do you weigh?
117.
117. You don't weigh 117.
217.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, ain't no way you 117. All right,
That's
217.
what I mean.
But I bet Kyler's not exactly 217. He might be 217 and a half.
More than that now.
Right, so,
About 225.
all right, let's read the bottom 5 and see which ones they are. Y'all don't interrupt. X represents the number of friends a person invites to his birthday party. Why is that discrete? Because you can count how many people he invited. Good. 26, y'all write discrete. You just want to put a D, that's fine.
I just thought about it. What if it's like me? I'm not counting as a full person.
We count you as a whole person, Peyton. All right, let's go to 27. Listen up. X represents the height of your grandmother.
Continuous.
That's continuous because if you say she's 5 foot, she's probably not exactly 5 foot. That's continuous on 27.
Yeah.
All right, X represents, guys, stop interrupting. X represents how much money a Twix costs. That's discrete. You can count it. And everybody does agree that Twix is the best candy bar. Right?
About, yeah.
Ain't no doubt. What's better than Twix? Oh man, that's trash.
What did you say?
Milky Way. That's like 1970s. Twix is the best.
Twix is the best.
That's what
Nice.
All right, let's go to 29. X represents the number of rats in a hayfield.
This kid.
That's probably discrete, right? You have,
Yeah.
They can be born like instant right after you count them.
Remember rats? I'm not gonna use the term.
all right, I'll make sure that one's not on the test, but I'm thinking you can count. But Peyton's right, they make babies continuously.
But you can
I'll make sure that one's not on the test, because that
Then
one's
what's the answer?
I'm gonna say discrete.
I'm putting both.
Yeah, that's what I put. I put the street.
You can count them either way.
You can count them when they're born, once they're born.
Yeah, you can count once they're born.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to 30. X represents the time it takes Sally to walk home to school.
Continuous.
That's continuous because it's probably not gonna be exactly 15 minutes or whatever. 26, number of friends you invite to a party, you can count them, so that's discrete. All right, we'll do 13 through 22, then y'all can do the front.
And then bathroom break.
After this, you want to come over here.
30? I don't know, man. Yeah, that one.
Which one are we doing?
We have to turn this in.
We are turning this in, guys.
Yes. I didn't even do it.
So you do it if you want to.
Let's do it.
You just
Mikey.
All right, now normally, you guys can do 13 through 18 by yourself. I only had to help y'all 19 through 22. So y'all try to do 13 through 18 while I'm writing it up.
No. That's weird.
So maybe
Dang it,
the
where
one
like it
right
touches on the
and
flags.
the range goes up and down.
Yes. No, down and up.
Yeah, there you go. It starts at the bottom. Good. All right, Mikey, you got the domain?
No.
Oh, I don't even have it drawn yet. Let me draw it real
question is,
quick.
I have a question.
Hold on, let me draw it real quick.
Done.
No nasty.
You just did.
No, I don't wish. I don't want to do it again.
All right, let's try it again. Mike, you got the domain yet?
Yes, sir.
All right, JT, explain to me about the domain. Where do I look?
Left to right.
Left to right. So, the left of the graph is,
Negative infinity.
the right of the graph stops at?
6.
I like it.
I have a
That's
question.
what I
I have a
So
question
it's
though.
negative infinity to 6. 6 is a bracket, infinity is always a parenthesis.
I got that
My
wrong.
question is, why is it all that you start at the bottom
So then we got.
Hold up.
instead of starting at the top?
I don't know,
Because
it's
how
just
you
the way
read
it
the
is.
page.
I don't know. Bottom to top is how they want it though. All right, so range says bottom to top. What's the bottom?
-4.
-4. What's the top?
Infinity.
5.
Somebody's gonna say 5, but that's
It's
wrong.
infinity.
Because that arrow right there
Yeah.
goes up forever, doesn't it? Somebody's gonna miss out the mark. So it's -4 to infinity. Infinity's parentheses, -4 is a bracket.
Would it be a negative infinity?
Zeros.
No, it goes up forever, guys.
Yeah, but it's going left instead of right.
No, you know, but if you think bottom to top,
It's
going up, that's positive.
He didn't.
All right, so Justin, what does it mean when it says zeros?
You
Y'all don't
ain't
help
asking
me.
me. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you.
X-axis.
All you gotta do is look and see where it hits the x-axis. -5.
And 1.3.
Hold on, look on your paper. What is
1.3.
it? Is it
Yeah.
1.3?
Something like that.
1.5.
No.
What?
It's point
Hey,
three.
Round
If you
it.
say
Point-
1.5 or 1.3, I'm giving you credit. I'm not worried about it.
1.3.
How would it be 1?
All right, so it's
Starting-
-5.
Oh, 0.3. Sorry.
0.5.
Yeah,
0.5.
Hold on, you guys are right.
It's
0.5.
0.3.
I'll say 0.5, but as long as you have anything
I
close
said
to it,
1.
like 0.3, because look, look, Jacob, 1.5 would
Yeah, I
be there.
seen it. I just looked.
2.5 would be there. So
Yeah.
that's actually at 0.5 or 0.3.
He messed me up.
My bad. I
He
messed
said
you up.
1.5. And I'm
All
like,
right, Kyler, y-intercept.
Let's see.
Look on your paper.
One.
Negative 1 is the only place it hit.
Yeah.
All right, maximum. Jacob, what's the maximum? How high does it go?
Infinity.
Infinity. Shut up, Justin.
Hey guys, don't interrupt somebody. If I call your name, you can answer. Otherwise, don't interrupt. All right, minimum. What's the lowest it goes? Anybody?
Negative 4.
All right, so all week you guys have been good on those first 6, and then y'all missed like 3 out of the last
Yep.
4.
I missed
Increase.
all of them.
All right, so
Nine,
let's go
right,
to
three.
increase.
Up 9, right 3.
It is only increasing
And you
one
divide
time from here to there, right?
Yeah, so
This point right here is on negative 1. This point right here is on 2. So we say negative 1 to 2.
Yep.
Anybody have a
because
question
you
about
round
that?
it.
Let me show you, Chloe.
3 and 9.
Let me show you. All right, this point right here and this point right here, that's where it's going up. That's the only place it goes up. This point, if you look down the line, is on negative 1. This point, if you look down, is on 2. So from negative 1 to 2, it's going up. Think left to right. Don't think up and down. That's what you guys are thinking. Y'all are thinking up and down.
I was looking at the dots. Yes.
All right, so Brandon, remember, it's left to right. All right, now look.
So it's infinity.
Decrease, it's going down in 2 different
That's what I
places.
meant.
And give
One.
me a different color. All right, it's going down, guys, from here to here. That's one place it's going down.
That's infinity.
That's negative infinity
Negative infinity to negative 1.
to negative 1.
Yeah.
Good. Negative infinity to negative 1. That's one place it's going down. Where's the other place? From here to here,
2
right?
6.
That dot is at 2. That dot is at 6. So we say 2 to 6.
2 to 6. I knew it.
Yeah, I'm gonna fail your test.
I mean, you ain't gonna miss the first 6, are you?
Yeah.
You gonna miss the first max and min? You gonna miss those zeros? Those
Wait, how many points do you count for each one of those? Like
I don't
one?
know. I'll have to see tomorrow. Now, they tried to fool y'all in the next one. I don't even know what number this is. Somebody look for me. 21. They tricked you on this one. Every problem we've had so far, it says, as x goes to infinity this way, what's the last dot doing? But that's not what they're asking on this one, are they? They're asking this time as you go to negative infinity, as you go backwards, what's the last dot doing?
Infinity.
Goes to infinity. You can write infinity or negative infinity. I don't care. I'll give you credit for either one. It goes on forever.
Ain't the way to change negative 4 to 4?
I don't know. I haven't tried it. All right, rate of change. Now look, they want you to start at 2 and go to 6. Watch. 2 is right here. 6 is right here. Y'all got to count the rise over run from that dot all the way to that dot. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right 4, left.
Back 1, 2,
4,
3, 4. So I went right 4, back 4, which is negative 4. What does that simplify down to?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. So your rate of change is just negative 1. So remember, once you make your dots, all you got to do is count rise over run. Bathroom break.
I could have waited.
Yes, you could.
Ready, your phone's on the floor.
How much money you got?
As x goes to negative infinity, you go this way right here. What's the last dot?
Yeah, they got it.
Most of the time they ask, as you go this way forever, what's the last dot? And you'd say it stops at 6. I hadn't done anything. I can check it.
I will, because I don't trust
You mean 20 now?
3 and 8.
Well, you entry.
Got
Oh,
it.
you entry for
So
10.
it's negative 504. 3 go. Ugh. I don't like that, man.
It ends up being.
You're right, it is. Yeah. You know what? We might throw that one out.
Because when you plus the.
Hey, I'll
Oh, why did I
fix
do
it.
that?
I'll give you a,
Just want me to do 46.
hey, no, let's do this. Instead of 3, 8, flip around. That way we'll be happy.
Good.
That's probably what I was
I got a
thinking.
good key to look at my
Is that the only one that gave you the answer like that? Okay.
I found that one on the ground.
So just
Look at the
change
key
the
I got
places.
there. Hit it easy. It's good, man. Hit it easy.
No, hit it
Hit
hard.
it easy.
Yeah, listen to me. You don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, dude. I'm trying to win.
You know, he just done 10K.
Hey, I done 10K in a
Kinda how
round.
much you pay for that?
What? I didn't pay nothing for it. I opened
Yeah,
the
the
box.
it's in the box.
Yeah, that's a good keep.
I got one.
No, you don't.
That tire
No,
one.
you don't. Shoot it. Thank you for the turn. That one.
God, I wouldn't do that for you. You better do that. You didn't give them back, then that 8-ball might have went in.
You mean the cue ball?
The 8-ball? Cause if you hit it good enough, it's gonna bounce off the claw and go and hit that.
No,
that
just give it back. I know what I'm doing. I can't see it across the screen. You're still, or not really still. If it was any closer, you would win. Why would you get out? Hit it hard. I hate those shots right here.
Yeah, well,
I
yeah,
still,
that's-
I mean, it still
You'll
counts.
hit me with a text. What about hangman?
He's winning.
Me, right now.
He's hanging.
Yeah, shoot that. Here.
Just so there's a trick, you get it lined up like that.
Hey Jacob, that's illegal. That's lynchy.
I forgot you could move it. Ooh, good shot. Yeah. If you don't leave me, because I need this money.
I spelled it wrong. Me too.
He don't know what day it
It's kind of
is. Go chase the next slide. That was so crazy.
He ain't got a shot.
Unless he hits the yellow ball and he goes in.
You mean the red to yellow?
Yeah.
That's the only way you make that. And he could. Oh, that A ball's going crazy. We'll do. Yeah, well, I picked that.
Oh, Kyler got two on that.
He's only able to hit one ball.
Oh, I'm sorry, that was me.
No, I got two.
You can't hit your 15.
That was perfect. That was a perfect shot. Wait, that's a perfect shot. You can.
Yeah, he's on.
No, I only got like very. No, I won't.
Yeah, you wanna shoot that? You'll make it.
Gotta do this one.
Oh,
Oh, I gotta recharge my key for 800 coins.
you got enough?
No.
Is it? You gotta use another
I
key.
gotta use my.
Oh, you still use key, huh?
I got this one. I got the rewarded blue. I got the this one.
Y'all stop us for me if I've been filming for.
Probably not.
I hope you're still filming during bathroom break.